Join me as I dive into the world of foldable tablets and see if they really have what it takes to replace our beloved phones by 2024. The concept of foldable tablets has been simmering in the tech world for a while now, and it's finally gaining momentum. These devices have the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with technology, and the question on everyone's mind is, can they replace our smartphones? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities, the challenges, and everything in between. Foldable tablets are not just a novelty, they're a significant step forward in mobile technology. Imagine having a device that can seamlessly transition from a tablet to a phone, offering you the best of both worlds. It's an exciting prospect, and we're going to dive deep into the possibilities. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. We're not just talking about a new gadget, we're discussing a potential game changer that could alter the way we live, work, and communicate. So, buckle up, and let's get started. Smartphones have dominated our lives for over a decade, and they've become an essential part of our daily routine. But let's face it, they have their limitations. The small screen can be frustrating, multitasking is a challenge, and battery life is always a concern. These limitations have created a void in the market, and foldable tablets are stepping up to fill it. One of the most significant challenges that smartphones face is their inability to multitask efficiently. We're forced to switch between apps, and it's a tedious process. Foldable tablets, on the other hand, offer a larger screen real estate, making it easier to multitask and be more productive. Another limitation of smartphones is their screen size. We're forced to adjust our lifestyles to fit the screen, rather than the screen adapting to our needs. Foldable tablets change this paradigm by providing a more flexible and adaptive screen that can adjust to our requirements. Smartphones are also limited by their keyboards. Typing on a small screen can be frustrating, and autocorrect can be a nightmare. Foldable tablets offer a more traditional typing experience, making it easier to communicate and be more productive. The battery life of smartphones is always a concern. We're constantly worried about running out of juice, and it's a limiting factor in our daily lives. Foldable tablets, with their larger size, can accommodate larger batteries, providing a more reliable and efficient power source. Another significant limitation of smartphones is their cameras. The cameras are limited by the size of the device, and they often struggle to deliver high-quality images. Foldable tablets, with their larger size, can accommodate better cameras, providing a more superior imaging experience. Smartphones have become an essential part of our lives, but they're not perfect. They have their limitations, and foldable tablets are poised to address these limitations. But it's not going to be a smooth ride. There are challenges ahead, and we need to discuss them. One of the significant challenges that foldable tablets face is their price. They're still a premium product, and the cost is prohibitively high for many consumers. This is a significant barrier to adoption, and it needs to be addressed. Another challenge is the durability of these devices. We're talking about a complex mechanism that can be prone to failure. The hinge, the screen, and the overall construction need to be robust enough to withstand daily wear and tear. The user experience is another critical factor. Foldable tablets need to provide an intuitive and seamless experience that's easy to use and navigate. This is a tall order, and manufacturers need to get it right. The ecosystem is also a significant challenge. Foldable tablets need to have a robust ecosystem of apps and services that can take advantage of their unique features. This is a daunting task, and it requires significant investment and development. The competition from traditional tablets and laptops is another challenge that foldable tablets face. They need to differentiate themselves and provide a unique value proposition that sets them apart from other devices. The lack of standardization is another challenge. Foldable tablets come in different shapes, sizes, and designs, making it difficult for consumers to make an informed decision. Despite these challenges, foldable tablets have some significant advantages over traditional smartphones. They offer a larger screen, multitasking capabilities, and an enhanced user experience. The larger screen is a game changer. Imagine having a device that can seamlessly transition from a phone to a tablet, providing a more immersive experience. This is a significant advantage over traditional smartphones. The multitasking capabilities of foldable tablets are unparalleled. They offer a more desktop-like experience, making it easier to be more productive. This is a significant advantage over traditional smartphones. The user experience is also enhanced. Foldable tablets provide a more intuitive and seamless experience that's easy to use and navigate. This is a significant advantage over traditional smartphones. Another significant advantage of foldable tablets is their ability to provide a more superior gaming experience. Imagine having a device that can seamlessly transition from a phone to a tablet, providing a more immersive gaming experience. The cameras on foldable tablets are also superior. They offer better image quality, and they're more versatile, making them ideal for content creators. The battery life of foldable tablets is another significant advantage. They offer a more reliable and efficient power source, making them ideal for heavy users. A significant breakthrough in the foldable tablet market is the development of more affordable devices. We're seeing a trend towards more affordable devices that are priced competitively with traditional smartphones. Another trend is the development of more durable devices. Manufacturers are investing heavily in research and development, creating more robust devices that can withstand daily wear and tear. The growth of the ecosystem is another significant trend. We're seeing more apps and services that are optimized for foldable tablets, providing a more seamless and intuitive experience. In conclusion, foldable tablets have the potential to replace smartphones, but it's not going to be a smooth ride. There are challenges ahead, and manufacturers need to address them. The benefits of foldable tablets are clear: a larger screen, multitasking capabilities, and an enhanced user experience. But we need to be realistic about the challenges they face. The question remains, will foldable tablets replace our beloved phones by 2024? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts on foldable tablets in the comments below. If you want to stay up to date with the latest trends in mobile technology, be sure to check out our next video, where we'll be discussing the future of 5G networks.